I saw a video that you can mix your foundation with a moisturizer. I've done it before, but I want to do it again. I don't like using much foundation, so this is the amount that I'm using to give it that tint. Can you see that? See? It's very light and seamless, like.
But you still hit my phone up. And baby, I be moving on. And I think you should. Mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I know you hated my friends. The only care I don't, but you still hit my phone up. And baby, I be moving on.
I think we are making progress. Show off your skin. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. Rate me, guys. What do you guys think? Correction is allowed, okay? You can correct me in the comment section, okay? If there's any way I can improve, let me know in the comment section. Just be kind, okay?